In this video, I'll show you how to download and install apps from the Microsoft Store on Windows 11. Whether you want apps like WhatsApp, Spotify, Netflix, or any other application, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Microsoft Store is the official app marketplace for Windows. It allows you to safely download apps, games, and other software directly from Microsoft without visiting third-party websites. Some apps can be installed without signing in, but for the best experience, sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you've found the app, click the Install button. Microsoft Store will automatically download and install the application. After the installation is complete, click Open to launch the application. You can also find it later through the Start menu. If you already have a Spotify account, click Log In and enter your email address and password. If you're new to Spotify, click Sign Up. You can create an account using your email address, Google account, Facebook account, or Apple account, depending on the options available. To keep your apps up to date, click Library and then select Get Updates. Microsoft Store will automatically check for newer versions. That's how to install apps from Microsoft Store on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Tech Install for more software installation guides and Windows tutorials.